Hello guys, and welcome to Basic Tutorial. And in this video, I will teach you how to uninstall applications on your Windows 10. So first thing you have to do is go to the search bar and search for Add or Remove Programs. Left-click on Add or Remove Programs, this one with the gear icon. Usually, you'll be automatically redirected to this page, or if not, just click Apps and Features on the upper left side of your screen. You will then see the lists of your applications. Just scroll down until you find the application that you wanted to delete. Once you find that Apps, just left-click on it. An Uninstall button will appear. Click Uninstall, click Uninstall again. A yes or no message will pop up. Just click Yes, click Uninstall, or just follow the uninstallation procedure, because every application has a different uninstallation process. Just read the procedure carefully until the uninstallation procedure has completed. And that is how to uninstall applications on your Windows 10. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more video tutorials. Thank you.